Guys, I want to talk to you today about the NIRA Precision Laser. This has been an amazing product for me, and I'm going to get up a little bit closer so y'all can see my under eyes. I'm getting compliments like crazy about my under eyes. I am 54 right now, and this is completely clean skin. So I want to tell you that I think that the NIRA Laser has a lot to do with my under eye, my nasal labial folds, and things such as that. I'm going to show you how to use it. You turn the device on by pushing that button, and you heard that sound. Well, then to figure out exactly which level you want, you push it, and I go all the way up to the highest level. And then this is the button that you're going to be pushing to shoot the laser through here. You just have to make sure that it is completely flat against the skin, or you'll hear a sound. So let's do a couple of them the way they're supposed to be. Do you hear that second beep? The first beep tells you that the laser is starting. The second beep tells you it's time to move it to another location. Now I'm going to show you what happens when you move it too fast. Hear that? So it tells you it did not fire and it stopped because I moved it away from the skin. Now sometimes I will tell you that when I do this, I do it so fast that I have to remember and slow down a little bit. But as you can see, I can get all the way up underneath my eyes, and I do this really one time a day. And I'm going to be honest with you and tell you where I do it. And in the morning, I have a little stool next to in my water closet. And if you know what that is where my toilet is. And what I do every morning is when I go to the bathroom for the very first time every morning, I've just gotten out of bed. That's what most of us do, right? I'll have this sitting. Oh, did you hear me? I didn't do it right. I have it sitting right there by the toilet. So I'm still half asleep, but this doesn't take much brain power. So to make sure that I'm doing it before anything, I pick it up while I'm going to the bathroom for the first time every day. And that makes sure that I'm at least getting this device one time per day. Now, it does recommend twice a day, and it recommends that you see results after 90 days. So that's 3 full months. But I promise you, if you put it somewhere where you know you're going to be for just a few minutes, like by your toilet, it has worked wonders. And I know that's probably saying too much, but and letting you know too much. Ooh, I need to pay attention to what I'm doing. But it works wonders. And that way I know that I'm getting this device. I have people stopping me in the street, in the grocery store, and complimenting my under eyes because the lines are just gone. Now, yes, I do have a little bit of Botox in there, but to be quite honest with you, I am due for a Botox appointment in 3 days, okay? So that means I'm at the end of my Botox right now, and I'll go ahead and smile for you so you can see. You know, still have some lines, but this is without Botox. I mean, the Botox is pretty much gone, and my under eyes look that good. Or at least I think they look good. I think this is a great device. They have come out with another one that is the Pro version. I think that's what it's called, Pro version. And it's just got a larger head, so it can cover more area. I have not purchased that, and they have not sent it to me. So, NIRA, if you're watching, I would love one of those because I would love to be able to do a larger area faster, if you will. But I try to do my nasal labial folds with this same laser. What this is doing is stimulating collagen and elastin. You heard that. That means to move to the next side and make sure that you're fully flat against the skin for it to, that's a security measure that these things do. So, I really do recommend this device. It is, I have a code down that I'm going to put in the caption. I have I think they're doing even more discount on the code right now during the month of October. So y'all definitely want to grab this soon, because you know, I don't recommend products that don't work, and y'all know this. And this one, it's worth it, and you should actually buy it. It's a way that you can do laser at home. You don't have to always go into the esthetician or to the dermatologist or the plastic surgeon. You can actually do this at home. And, you know, if you have done that, this will just increase those results. The other product that's really good, they have sent me a hyaluronic acid advanced serum. And y'all know this is wonderful to put on after you finish your laser. It's a great, after cleansing and laser treatment, it will help build the moisture back up, and it's a great product as well. So I encourage both of them. So if you've not picked it up yet, grab the NIRA Laser. Look at my codes below and use my code. I'd appreciate it. I get a little commission, and you also get a discount. So check that out, and it's worth your money. I promise you it is. It's worth your money. You're seeing me 54 and fresh skin. Thanks, y'all. See you soon.